share the software. Join us now and share the software. Others can get piles of money, but they cannot help their neighbors. When we have enough free software and when I call, we'll throw out these dirty lessons out evermore. When we have enough free software and when I call, we'll throw out these dirty lessons out evermore.
Hi! How's it going? Welcome. By the way, we are live on Twitch as well, so if you want to watch over there instead of the YouTube side, feel free to pick which one you want to watch. It really does not matter. If you go to brodierobertson.xyz/Twitch, it will take you directly to that, or the actual name is Brodie on Games if you want to search for it directly. Whatever you want to do, feel free to go ahead and do so. So how is it going? What are you guys getting up to? Welcome to Chromebook Hell. So what we're gonna do today is it's right in front of me here. We have this little thing right here. So what we're gonna do is I kind of just want to show you how this device came to me, because this device, when I bought it, was already core booted. So I've got a second Chromebook coming that I'm actually going to core boot on stream, all that fun stuff. But this one, I bought it knowing it was already core booted. And I didn't know what was I knew Linux was already running on this thing, but I didn't know how they had it configured. And it's really weird what this was shipped as. I don't know why it's configured like this, but it is. So, you know what? Let's just get right into looking at the device itself, and then we'll talk more about the whole Chromebook hacking scene as well. Do you think it would get GIMP 3 before GTA 7? Yes. Yes, definitely 7. This should theoretically just work. Now, this is a 11-year-old laptop, so the ports are a little bit crunchy. Especially, the USB ports are especially crunchy. Install NixOS on it? Well, that's what I'm probably going to do. Maybe I'll do it with this one, maybe I'll do it with the other one. I don't know. If we go over here, and if we go... Okay, console capture, that should be connected to that one. Okay. Theoretically, if I open this, you're going to see something. Let's see. Yes! Perfect! Okay. I love Mr. Chromebook. Today I learned you can put enters in Twitch like so. Hi everyone, how you doing, Titan? Welcome. So yeah, this thing... It's running Ubuntu. That by itself is not that weird. The scale's gonna be weird. It'll fix itself in just a moment. Because that's the other fun thing about this device. The 2013 Pixel, I think it's like 2560 by 1600. You can already see what's weird about the way they've got this configured. Like, what in the world is this theme? So, the trackpad is a little bit funky. So, actually, I'll swap that out for this one. Once again, this is what you get when you buy 11-year-old laptops. You get things that are not in the perfect condition, just mostly good enough. So we're gonna use a mouse. Yeah, that's a good idea. Which are the USB ports on? Now, can we actually plug a USB? There we go. As I said, crunchy. Here we go. I've not used an Ivy Bridge device in a very, very long time. We good? The cursor speed is way too high, but besides that, it's fine. Oh, hey, Kind of dig the theme, not gonna lie. I don't hate it. Now, I'm obviously gonna remove it and stick something else on it, but I don't hate it as is. I've never actually used XFCE. Like, this is actually my first. Thank you for the tip. Appreciate it. As Brodie says, that's going to be it for me, and amen. I don't think I've ever said amen in a video, but sure. Find the number of days without someone asking for Chrome OS support for OBS is resets to 0 pretty often. Well, here's the fun thing. You don't just tell them to go and install Linux on the device. Also, this is not. Oh, once again, this is a very weird theme. I think it's Firefox. I don't think it's Chromium. For whatever reason, yeah, there you go. It's Firefox. For whatever reason, it looked like Safari. I wonder how. I wonder if like how badly YouTube's gonna run on this thing. Surely we can like decode 1080p video without problem. Surely should be fine, right? Theoretically. Wait, who uploads in 4K? Give me a channel that uploads 4K video. I want to see what happens. Yeah, LTT? Okay, yeah. I was thinking they probably do. Okay, here we go. All right, Blonde Linus. Can I mute it? Oh yeah. It also has dedicated buttons for volume. They surprisingly work. Honestly, like there's a lot of things about this. Don't you need an account for 4K? I don't know. I've not. We'll find out, won't we? I never use YouTube without premium anymore. I did not realize the site was this bad. Holy shit. First stop Firefox. Okay, here we go. What are we? It's already not running well, and this is 720p. It's already not running at like full decode speed. Yep, that's definitely going a little rough. Oh, okay. That menu. Okay, let's go up slowly. Let's put it at 1080p. It's running. I'm genuinely impressed that it's doing it. Let's just go straight to 4K and see what it does. Surely that's not actually gonna work. Is Firefox running with hardware acceleration? I have not touched anything with it. Check in about support. Oh, that's what we're looking for. Oh, it's running! Holy shit! Not well, but it's running technically. Oh, and it froze. Oh no, that's not what how do I get back to that? Check in about support. Okay, about support. That's not how you spell that. About support. Where am I looking for? What am I looking for here? Disk space available 15 gigabytes. I don't think Ivy Bridge can do hardware decode anyway. Look, it doesn't even matter. Brodie uses a premium instead of viewable. Yeah. At least on YouTube, right? Is it just like called hardware? Hardware video decoding available. This is an Ivy Bridge device, by the way, so 4K, if it had done 4K without issue, I would have been real surprised. Like, genuinely surprised. Unless I'm looking for something else. Codec. H.264. Everything else, unsupported. Yeah, that's about right. That's about right. Compile Linux kernel on it. Actually, well, this is part of the reason why I'm doing the stream. Which one is Ivy Bridge again? 3rd gen. 3rd gen is Ivy Bridge. My PC is i3 3rd gen. Well, look, this is your experience then. Well, mostly your experience. How do I how do I open up the terminal here? Terminal? There we go. Let's see what. Let's do an LSBLK. Right. Right. By the way, this is running. What do you call it? Wait. There we go. It is running Ubuntu, so that means you get all the joy of snaps. All the joy of snaps on the 30 gigabyte hard drive in this device. Snap, my beloved. So, right. This is part of the reason why I'm sudo apt purge snapd-init. Not the worst idea. Why didn't you just go with OpenSUSE? I didn't install this. This is how I bought the device. Now, this is actually why, part of the reason why I'm doing this stream. I kind of want to ask you guys, what should we do with this? What should we do with the Chromebook? Because I know someone's going to say, oh, do Gentoo on it, do Gentoo on it, do Gentoo on it, do LFS on it. I know you're going to say that, so you don't need to say that. Could you still update the custom firmware? Yes. Sudo rm-r. Why does snaps do that loopback thing? I don't understand, actually. Turn it into a server, install a MugOS, pop OS with Cosmic. That I actually am thinking of doing. It should theoretically run, right? Like, I don't see why it wouldn't run. No, it wouldn't run well. Yeah, it's cool. Well, okay. I'll get into more about like how the Chromebook stuff is done in a moment. But yes, it is core boot. Cosmic or NixOS. Does it support Vulkan? Does Ivy Bridge support Vulkan? I'm gonna go with a no on that one. I don't know. I'm gonna go with a no. Yes? Wait, does it? No Vulkan. Just gotta run your updates overnight when running Gentoo on a slow PC. Vulkan 1.2. Oh god. Wait, what's some benchmark software we can run on this? Why did I buy it? Because it's funny. Can you show the hardware specs? It's a 2013. Well, I can just bring it up on here. It's a 2013 Pixel, not 2023, 2013 Pixel Chromebook. Here we go. How to breathe new life into it. Let's see, specs. Here we go. This should be it. Yeah, there we go. Here are your amazing specifications. 1.8 gigahertz. Intel i5 dual core. Yeah, here's the weird ass resolution it has. 2560 by 1700. Sure. How bad? The screen's actually good. This is the funniest thing. The screen is good. Like, actually, like much better than what you would get from a lot of shitty laptops at the time. HD Palm. Oh, no. Wait. Here we go. That's crazy. Yeah, no, this is also part of the reason why it runs badly. I'm running at 1920 by 1080, so it gets captured properly. But, yeah. Okay, right. So, we're on Ubuntu. So, something you know is in the Ubuntu repos and what the package is called for doing benchmarking. And I will install it. I don't know Ubuntu package names. How many Australian dollars? I think I paid like $120 for it. Maybe like $100 for it. Try run an LLM on it. Yeah, Prime 95 is Ubuntu as packages. Yes, it does. Is the package called Prime 95? I don't know. I don't know Ubuntu package names. I need Ubuntu package names. I need a package that I can install. Actually, I should probably do an apt. Is it apt upgrade? Is that how that works? Okay, we're good. I bought... Look, Australian dollars are not real money. Apt update. Okay, we'll do that. We'll make sure it's updated first before we do anything. Sudo apt update. Mesa utils. Sudo flatpak install. Yeah, that's definitely gonna. There's definitely that's definitely a package we can install. Okay, now we wait on it. VK Cube. VK Cube should be installed, I reckon. Sudo apt upgrade. Okay, let's do the update first, and then we'll do the rest. I don't use Ubuntu. I use the thing that I know. VK Cube ought to run. It should. GLX Gears. Okay, yeah, that definitely... GLX Gears and VK Cube should be there. Okay, apparently on Ubuntu you need to grab a pre-built package for mprime. I still type apt get upgrade. Shouldn't you also run apt get dist upgrade? I don't use Ubuntu. Like, surely Gnome in itself would be benchmarked for this thing. XFCE runs fine, so maybe Gnome would be a problem. Flatpak on a 32 gig SSD, yet snaps on a 32 gig SSD does not sound like a good idea either. Dist upgrade is always better. I see. Windows 11 VM. Sandy and Ivory. Wait, should... Hold up. Should we install something like I don't know, Gnome boxes and try to run Cosmic inside of it? Wait, it theoretically would work. I don't see any reason why it wouldn't work. I don't have an ISO on a USB right now, so it'd be funnier if we just do it in a virtual machine. Wait, no, actually, hold up, we can't. Hold up, we don't have the storage for it. Wait. We already have 15 gigs of free storage. I don't... We actually can't do it. Take back what I said. Use external storage? Yeah, but that's... The only external storage I have is a USB thumb drive. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate it. Just boot off of Google Drive. Yeah, I'm sure that's gonna go well. I'm sure that's definitely gonna go well. God, even doing the apt upgrade is taking a long ass time. Is it still USB 2? I believe it would be, yeah. Why not install a live environment? Is there a distro that has a live environment of Cosmic? Because the Pop! OS one, it's just an installer. I don't think you can live environment that one. What's the disk speed? Read and write? How do we test that? Wait, why would we disconnect from the Wi-Fi? Wait. Why did it disconnect from the Wi-Fi? Oh, no, we're back now. We're alive. Oh, kernel updated. Ah. Oh, okay. I don't do the Ubuntu thing. Debian is the best distro for every man. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate it. Debian is the best distro for every man. And I think this is true. I see. I just tried to move my mouse off my other computer. Oops. I have two mice in front of me. I grabbed the wrong one. That's why you should upgrade on reboot. Look. I know what you guys want. All you guys are here for is watching packages upgrade. You don't actually care about the content. Like, all that matters is... all that matters is, hey, look, terminals on your screen. Hello, Mr. Robertson. Hello, how's it going? This content is awesome. I know it is. Brodie, one word, OSX KVM. Oh, here's actually a fun thing about... Here's a fun thing about the Chromebooks. You actually can do macOS on some of them. Like you might think, oh, there's no way you could Hackintosh it. No, there are some that you actually can Hackintosh. Yes. Like, it's very random little devices. Like, it's not at all consistent which ones you can Hackintosh, but they absolutely do exist. Virtualize Chrome OS in a VM. VMs are not a good idea right now. We don't have the storage for doing VMs. Unless it's something that'll fit in, like, 15 gigabytes of storage. Latest macOS? I don't know if it's the latest, but it's certainly not horribly old. Let's do a reboot. Not having a super key in the right location actually really does throw me off. Okay, there we go. Okay, run memtest 86+. What is the package for that? Right, we'll go GLX Gears first, then we'll do VK Cube. And then we'll do the other one. Yes. Xubuntu. Well, this is core boot here, but, you know, regardless. Again, I didn't install Xubuntu on this. This is how it shipped to me. Okay. Which means I have to remember some other random person's password they said on this. There we go. I use Arch, by the way, as you should. Install Gentoo. Oh god. Oh god. Yeah, I'm sure that can only go well. I'm sure that could only go well. Okay, here we go. Let's run, or let's see if we can. GLX Gears. Look, GLX Gears runs. There you go. GLX Gears functions. Honestly, surprisingly. Well, look, it's just GLX Gears. It should function. If GLX Gears wasn't functioning, that would be a problem. That would be a serious problem if GLX Gears didn't function. VK Cube. Okay. Okay. Thank you, however this is configured. Thank you, Ubuntu, for telling me what packages exist where. Install Vulkan-tools. Here we go. Theoretically, this will work. I am not convinced it'll work, but theoretically. Okay. VK Cube. Who wants to take bets on it not functioning? Because I don't know what's going to happen. It should probably function. I don't know. It's going to work? Okay. It works. There you go. Ivy Ridge Vulkan support is incomplete. Yes. There you go. We have Vulkan. For anyone who said that Vulkan didn't exist on this, it does. It's just incomplete. So theoretically, we can do Vulkan stuff with this thing. I don't know if we can do much else, but we can certainly do Vulkan stuff with it. Okay, I need an actual benchmark. Something that'll, like, stress test it. Install Minecraft. Wait, can we, what's the package for Minetest on Ubuntu? Sudo apt install, is it just Minetest? I need package names, not names of software. Is it just Minetest? I think it's just Minetest. Yes, there we go. Can it run Crysis? It could probably boot it. Minecraft with shaders. Phoronix Test Suite can be downloaded from their website. Okay. I'm gonna press the menu bar plugin on the panel actually functions. Never works on Arch XFCE. Will it run Doom? Oh, it'll absolutely run Doom. Okay, mind test. Here we go. Is the chat... Okay, look at this. Can we like full screen like that? How the fuck do we full screen? Here we go. Can we do that? No. Oh, we can do that. Okay. Never. Creative mode. Play game. Wait. New world. Chromebook. Will mind test run? That is the question. You know what? This kind of feels nostalgic. Because when I used to play Minecraft on a 2012 MacBook, this is kind of how it would feel on that as well. Is there like a HUD overview like in Minecraft where you can see your performance? Or is that not a thing in this game? I don't have F keys, by the way. Wait, well, yeah, I don't have F keys. That's the fun thing about Chromebooks. They don't have F keys. Elden Ring. Obviously, that's not going to function. Also, we can't install Elden Ring on this thing. We don't have a function key either. XDO. XDO tool F3. We have keys that pretend to be function keys. Well, we have this thing, and this basically functions like a meta key. It's just in the wrong location. Super real. The funny top keys probably work as F keys. Kinda, sorta. Sometimes. Oh, wait. Okay, that did work as an F key. Okay, F3 is definitely not it. Wait, here we go. Does that tell me a frame rate? Yes, it does. Okay, you probably can't see it, but it's running at 14 FPS. That is actually better than I thought it would be. Let's go. Can we like turn down the settings, or is that not a thing? No, I don't think there's settings we can control in this game. Okay. Exit to OS. That worked. That actually worked. Wow. Sudo apt uninstall. Is it uninstall or is it remove? What is I don't remember. Is it remove or uninstall? I don't know. I don't use apt. Remove. Mind test. We need to make sure we preserve our space. Oh, it's purge, remove? Are they like are they synonyms, or do they actually mean different things? I use apt. SuperTuxKart. Whoa. Sudo apt install SuperTuxKart. Obviously, we have to test SuperTuxKart. Dbench. Oh, is that a benchmarking tool? Is it running Wayland? No, this is XFCE. It supports Vulkan, so theoretically, there's no reason we couldn't do Wayland. Theoretically. I don't think it's going to go well, but I don't see why it would be impossible. Purge deletes config files. What CPU? It is a dual-core Ivy Bridge i5. Wait, can we just we're on Ubuntu. Could we just install Gnome? Is that a thing we can just do? I don't know how the different flavors work. Core boot, not Libre boot. Will it run hype? Wait, is Sway in the Ubuntu repos? Because we could do Sway as well. Sudo apt install Sway. Okay, we'll do that after we have SuperTuxKart running. I don't think Hyperland is on Ubuntu. It's just made its way into Debian, so it will be eventually. But not yet. Apt search Sway. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate it. Here we go. Unity desk. You know what? You say that, but Unity is kind of... Unity is in the range of when this would be a modern CPU. So that's not even that crazy of an idea. At least, like, classic Unity. I don't know what's changed in the project since then. Okay. Yes. Can we full screen it? Oh, we have to actually full screen in it. Offline account user. Okay. Okay. No. Okay, here we go. Full screen it. Single player. It's running. It's running, which is something. I don't know the controls for SuperTuxKart, actually. Oh! Okay, take back what I said about it's running. Oh! Oh, that's choppy. How do we... Oh, right. It's forward on the arrow. So, how many of you guys remember the stream that I did where I played SuperTuxKart with like 500 bots? This is how the game ran on my desktop like that. This is just the game normally. Host another SuperTuxKart community game. I'll need to get the software running again on my server. Do I have hardware acceleration applied? It should be. I've not turned anything off. Didn't know we were presenting a class a class presentation today. Oh god, this look, it's running. It's running, and that's all that matters. That's all that matters. If you told me this wasn't gonna run, I would believe you. Oh, you can hit yourself. That's good to know. Well, I think that's demonstrated the game functioning well enough. Now we need a benchmark. Now we need something. We need like a memory benchmark or some other benchmark that we can install. Oh, Katie is saying, well, I want to do a benchmark before we do that. Try Zenotic. Again, I need package names. CPU X can bench memory. User benchmark runs under wine. I need something that's just easy to install. Sudo apt install. We'll do Zenotic in a moment. Yes. Compile Linux source. Give me something that I can. Like, give me a package I can install. That I can. Okay, memtest86, the package on Ubuntu. Someone understood the assignment. What is the package called? Gnome Disks has drive benchmark. Okay. Memtest86 will take forever. Anything we do will take forever. Sudo apt install sysbench. Okay, thank you. I don't know what we're installing. Memtest isn't a benchmark tool. Were people suggesting things that aren't even benchmarks? It's just testing. Reading the script from standard input. Okay, can we have something that we can actually... How do we use this? Or do we need to, like, provide it with a script? Sysbench CPU run. Okay, it's doing something. Threads started. I don't know if that's good. Probably not. Do you have htop? Sudo apt install. I don't believe I do. $3D Mark Port Royal. What do we install? What is the program existing? Is that actually okay? Okay, cool. Let's do that then. I trust you that that's actually correct. Sudo apt install Phoronix -test -suite. That's not a package. Why do I ever ask the chat for anything? Why do I do this? This is such a bad idea. Anytime that I ask the chat for something, it's like, hey, here's a thing. It used to be a package. Okay, apt search Phoronix. Your fault. You know what? You are right there. I shouldn't ask for anything. Jesus Christ. Don't ask chat for anything. Terrible idea. Install GIMP? I think GIMP's already installed. The GNU image manipulation program. Will it function? It will definitely open. You know, there we go. There is GIMP. It works. Let's go new. Let's make a thing. I don't know the default hotkeys because I changed a lot of mine. That took like 2 seconds to change the color. This is a picture. All right. Wait, let's set this to black. Picutter. Exactly. Picture. You know, we can use it. Did we do fast fetch screen yet? Is fast fetch in the repos? Sudo apt install fast fetch. No, fast fetch is not in the Ubuntu repos. Install plan 9 on it. I don't need a full command. I need the package name. The package name is all that I want. How's fast fetch not on the repos? No, this is XFCE. High fetch has to be there. Do you have any idea what's in the Ubuntu repos? I just realized nobody in this chat uses Ubuntu. Not a single one of you actually use Ubuntu. Holy shit. Okay, one of you actually gave me a correct package. Holy shit. I am genuinely impressed we got somewhere. I do. Okay, we have 1 Ubuntu user. We have 2 Ubuntu users. Okay, we have confirmed 3 Ubuntu users of the 250 people, 260 people here. Mint is not Ubuntu, but it's close. Okay, wait. Press. Wait, we'll run that again. We're gonna make this. We're gonna make it rainbow. Okay. Invalid selection. No, it's obviously do you have to type the name? There we go. What brightness? 50. 0.5. Why is the interface for this so terrible? Horizontal. Yes. Oh. Okay. Cool. Let's run that one more time. High fetch. No, wait. I put a thing there. High fetch. I have never seen a fetch application output that slowly. Also, I like how it says network, Wi-Fi. Just no more explanation. Just Wi-Fi. Can't you answer the prompts? Can't you just not answer the prompts? I don't. Maybe. Why does a fetch need to be configured? I don't use this one. I couldn't answer you. I don't know the answer. I don't know why. Thank you for the follow. This is a benchmark of how slow most fetch applications are. Yeah, this is why I use fast fetch. I use Arch, by the way, as you should. This fetch is... Yeah, this is the... Well, this is the one that's a direct continuation of, NeoFetch. That's why it's insanely slow. This is written in shell script. Oh, I think it's bash script now, rather than POSIX shell script. So that means it's insanely slow. Oh, it has hyperthreading? Yes, it has 2 cores, and it has hyperthreading. So it has 4 threads. A magnificent 4 threads. Also, in case anyone was curious about the CPU, here is what it is. An i5-3427U. Are we just going to keep installing fetch applications? Uwu fetch. No, we can't install that. Because, of course, no one knows what packages are actually on this operating system. Okay. Sudo apt install Ubuntu... Wait. Ubuntu-desktop. Yes. Okay. Thank you for the dono. I use OpenSUSE, by the way. What OpenSUSE? What variant of OpenSUSE? OpenSUSE. You're seriously going to do that? Yes, that's what we're doing. Yes. What's an Ubuntu desktop? That would be Gnome. No, it's running 2404. Yeah, it's not running an ancient version of Ubuntu. Tumbleweed? Oh, here we go. A display manager program that provides... Okay. Default display manager. GDM3. There we go. Gnome. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate it. Debian Hyperland video when? Maybe I'll do it on this thing. I don't know. Sudo apt purge grub. We need that for now. I will purge it later. Do you have enough space for that? It's only a couple hundred meg. How big do you think the Ubuntu desktop is? Like, it's not gonna install, like, 10 gigabytes. What is Ivy Bridge Chromebook? That would be the device sitting in front of us. That is... Oh! I angled the thing wrong and the screen disconnected for a moment. Oops. Don't move it. Okay. This thing should be core booted and run Linux Libre. Well... It is core booted. We wouldn't be running Linux on it if it wasn't core booted. 11-year-old high-end laptop. Actually true, though. Like, this when it came out, this is actually really well built. It has a metal chassis. If you compare this to laptops of 2013, like, this is a really well-built laptop. Is this Chromebook running Linux? Yes. It was like $1,000. Yeah, in 2013, that's really expensive. Can you show laptop on cam? Wait, hold up. I can do that. I'm not gonna move my camera, but I can do something. We have the technology. Theoretically. Probably. Let's see what happens. Add video capture. Wait. There you go. Now you can see laptop. I'm just gonna pull out a mirror. You know, I could do that as well. Look at this. A secondary angle, so cinematic. Yeah, here you go. Now you get to watch double terminal. Can you imagine how dog water the webcam on it? Wait, there is a webcam on this. I don't know if it works. I think everything's supported properly on this thing. There's no reason why we shouldn't be able to do it. Wait, can we, yeah, there we go. Let's just leave it like that. Perfect. Brodie can exist out of the chair. My mind has exploded. Look, I also have feet. Feet cam. Brodie cam too. Yeah, the overbridge are fully supported according to Chromebook. Do benchmarking, Lude. Well, oh, wait. Okay, things happen. Cool. Let's, oh yeah, you can see some of those you couldn't see normally. I'm gonna unplug this for now. We don't need this. Anyway, let me, wait, where is it? Where's the fucking thing? There it is. Remove that one. Okay, so, theoretically, if we reboot the thing, thank you for the follow, appreciate it. Background Ninja poster is fire. I really like it. I got it a couple of years ago. For real, run macOS on this. We couldn't, I don't think on this thing you can do that. I think it will not boot. That would be very funny. Thank you for the dono. System CTL restart Brodie. Okay, we Ubuntu. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That's a, oh, you can't see it. Okay, wait, I'll plug this back in. Yeah, I don't know why it's not capturing. That's weird. That is very odd that it's not capturing that. Maybe there might be something weird about the way that the GDM works. Here you go. Look at that. The Wayland experience. Well, no, that's the video. I think you might not be able to do desktop mirroring. Yeah, it's monitor 2, yeah. Rather than doing a desktop mirror. There you go. You get to see my password on this thing. Okay. Holy shit. Wait, Gnome actually runs... Okay. Wait, I'm actually surprised here. Wait, does Gnome run well? Hold up a second. Hold up a second. Let me just fix it up, so... Nope, take back everything I said. How do we do... Settings? I'll fix up the thing in a moment. Settings. Displays. Mirror. Haha, there we go. Why is it 200% scale? Stop it. Keep changes. Look at that. Gnome. Why is the folder randomly in, like, why is the folder right here? I am actually surprised. I am genuinely surprised how not terribly it's running, at least on the desktop. If you told me this wasn't going to run well, I would believe you. 4 gigabytes, 32 gig SSD. Right, we're also just on the desktop. If it wasn't running well, I would be surprised. Like, if for whatever reason it didn't run well here, like, that would be an issue. Gnome... No, go away. I don't want to open this. Stop. Open a few apps. Use activity overview. Okay. How do I open an app? I don't use Gnome. Here? Here we go. Okay. Activity... System monitor. Here we go. Okay. Oop, resizing things is not very happy. It's living. It's living. Why do these icons? Well, this is Gnome, so they look like Gnome icons. It runs like hot shit on low-end Celerons, no matter how new. Yeah, but this is not low-end Celeron. So, what's something else? Let's open up Firefox. You should better press CMD on the keyboard. I don't have a CMD key because it's a Chromebook, not a not a MacBook. Oh, okay, it's gone back down. Right, okay, opening things is not very happy about, but it survived. Let's go back to YouTube and see what it does. Oh, we're at 80% CPU usage. Do the media keys still work? They're not bound as media keys on this desktop. Okay. I am not a Gnome shell. You never... Look, this is the possible worst showing Gnome could ever... You know, actually, you know what? This is a good showing for Gnome. uBlock Origin, please. 100%? Are we actually at 4K still? No, 1440p. Install... okay, yeah, you know what? H264 Firefox. We'll see if that improves anything. Add to Firefox. Add. Okay. Let's quit out of that. And then reopen. And theoretically, we're definitely in seconds per frame. It's not that bad. Not yet. So is that... Okay, let's pin it there. Okay, 1080p is good. Oh, okay. We can't do our 1080p with the extension installed. But it runs. Look at that. Look at that. Download a dang ad blocker. No, I'm going to especially not do it because you asked me to. Run COD on this. COD 1? Which COD are we talking about? It's surviving. Genuinely surprised it's surviving. Look at that. Runs like Adelaide. Fucking no one's here. What do you mean? Cole's bottle in the background. Yes, there's a Cole's bottle in the background. It was given to me. Can it run Doom? Isn't there a web version of Doom? Web Doom. There's probably a web version of Doom. Here we go. Doom. I don't know what's an ad, what's not an ad. Play it online. Here we go. Let's play Doom through this very questionable website. That's full of ads. Can it run that one Windows 9X emulator? Wait, Windows 9X emulator. I think I know the one you're talking about it. Website. Try JS Doom. JS DOS Doom. Okay, here we go. The maybe. We'll see. Can you try Steam on this thing? We could try Steam on this thing. I need a game that's less than 10 gigabytes to run on it. Okay, wait. We're good. Doom is here. Full screen. Yeah, this is the experience. This is the true Doom experience. This see, regular Doom would run a lot better on this thing than JS Doom would run. JS Doom is especially a problem. A less terrible version of Doom would run well. Like, there's no reason why a proper version of Doom wouldn't run badly. Wouldn't run well, sorry. How do we get out of full screen? There we go. So it's worse than if you play on original hardware. Yes, because it's the JavaScript version. No way it runs Doom because it's Chromebook. How much RAM does it have? 4 gigabytes. Run a Wii U emulator. Yeah, I'm sure that would go well. I could probably get by with the GBA emulator. Please try web version of Unreal Tournament. Install GZ. Is that a package? Or, again, give me things that don't take effort to install, that I can just set up quickly. Can it run Crysis? No. No. Why did you do this? You like the pain? Download. Okay, let's download Geekbench from their website. Geekbench. Okay. Download. Linux. Okay. It's gonna take 9 minutes. Okay, wait, we're good. That's not, by the way, that is not my internet speed. It's speeding up. Oh my god. Can it run Eagle? What is Eaglecraft? What is that? Open the system monitor. We had it open before. System monitor. Here you go. We're at under 20% CPU usage. Surprisingly. Eaglecraft is Minecraft in the browser. I've never heard of this. Back when I played Minecraft, there was just a web version of Minecraft. Eaglecraft. What the? Why does this look like the old? Wait, did this just grab the old web version and just stick it in the browser? I played the 1.6 days. I stopped playing in when the full release came out. That is not a questionable as hell looking logo. Like, not at all. Can it run Windows? The page is slowing down Firefox. Really? Is it now? Well, you know, that went as well as anyone could have hoped for. Bad Chromebook bad. It shouldn't be out of memory. It was Minecraft beta. I played on a laptop like that back then. Try using GeForce now. I don't have an NVIDIA card. Try Project Diablo 2. What is Project Diablo 2? What is this? A mod for and by passionate Diablo 2 fans. Play for free. Oh, well, I don't have I don't have Diablo 2. It's GeForce Now is cloud gaming. Right. Hold up. Where did that download to? I didn't pay attention to where it downloaded to. Geekbench, here we go. Extract. Here we go. Extract. It's extracting. Okay. There we go. We have extracted. Run. Install Arch. We will install Arch someday. Or int Soul Arch. Run in terminal. It's a CLI program. I see. How do I open it? Can I open a terminal here? There we go. /geek. Geekbench x86. NGL Geek. Okay, wait, we're good. Okay. We're doing a thing now. It's working. Kinda. I want to zoom out. Can I zoom out? Wait. Oh. We can't see what's happening. Oh. There we go. Okay, it's running. We can see it now. Good. Good. We're making progress. Chromium browser package. Yo, could you try Redux? So stop the old instance. Actually, that's a good point. How do we... Wait, I don't use HTOP anymore. I use BTOP for everything. Is there already... What's... Where's F9? That one. Where the... 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That should be F9. Yes, there we go. We don't have numbers on them, so I've got to count my F keys. Okay. Okay. Geek. Actually, we can just run it like this. There we go. Okay. Doesn't HTOP have mouse support? I don't know. Disconnected. What made you buy that laptop? It's funny. That's why. That is the actual reason why I bought it. It's funny. We're going to do other things on it besides this, but how much was it? Like $100. like Australian dollars, so 70 US. It's like 100 and 120, something like that. I don't remember the exact price. Gumtree special. I got it on eBay, actually. I don't remember what the price was. It's not that much. It's not that much money. It's enough where it's funny to run it. And I can get some videos out of this thing. You paid for pain. See, here's the thing, right? You're correct. But I can also make content from it. Therefore, I can monetize my pain. I found a T450 for $130. Where's the fun in that, though? Where is the fun in that? Should probably use the AVX2 binary. I don't think... Does Ivy Ridge support AVX2? Because I'm gonna assume it doesn't. I'm pretty sure it does not support AVX2. $100 for one stream is crazy. I'm not doing one stream on it. I'm gonna do a bunch of stuff with it. I want to run, like, I do want to go and actually properly install Gnome, like, on Ubuntu, something like that. I want to mess around with some other things. It's there are other things I want to do with it besides just this. Mr. Moneybags over here. If you can monetize doing something stupid, you know you would as well. Oh, actually, one other thing, right? I also have something. I have something that that we can do with this thing. So, obviously, it's a laptop, right? Laptops need stickers. Every laptop needs a sticker. Therefore, we have the perfect sticker for it. The shitbox sticker. I bought this a while back, not with the intention of putting it on the Chromebook, but this does fit perfectly with what the Chromebook is. Without AVX2, you can't run Pale Moon. It is a clamshell, not a box. It is dying, is what it is. I did see that. What is this? Uh-huh. Okay. I will take a look at that in a moment after we run this. Thank you for that. We all know it's a terminal with a browser. Well, we gotta slowly run through the benchmark. You should try like a FS compression with this thing. You know what I should do? I should think about my streams before I do them. I should plan things out before I start them, and then we can actually have things to do. Or I can just ramble for like an hour and a half. And people are gonna have fun anyway. What DE are you using? This is Gnome right now. This is Ubuntu Gnome. I don't know how much this actually has to test. We are here for fun. XZ is mine favorite compression. Chat, give Brodie videos to react to. Let's turn them into the Primeagen. Oh, that's the other thing. I was gonna make a new channel on my Discord for stream suggestions. Was installing core boot on this hard. I didn't install core boot on this one. I bought it already core booted. We will be core booting the other one on stream. That is why we have this little thing right here. This is for the newer Chromebook that I have. This little doohickey is called a it's not really called this, but it's like the name for the general thing. This is a Suzy Q cable. Well, that's like the main thing. This is a stripped down board version of it. We will be unlocking another Chromebook, and we'll be core booting that one on stream. Yes, Suzy Q, like Suzy Quattro. I don't know why it's called a Suzy Q, but that's what it's called. It's a little debug board. After we've run the benchmark, we'll do the thing that was suggested over here, and then I want to talk more about the Chromebook general situation as well. Running a background blur, the most important of benchmarks. Definitely someone named Suzy Q named it. Very possible. Suzy Q is a JoJo character name. Are you aware of why Suzy Q is called Suzy Q in JoJo? No. Holy shit, my chat. I know. Okay. So my chat has people that are both in their like 40s, right? Like, there are people in their 40s watching my channel, and there are also Zoomers, right? Do you understand why the JoJo character is called Susie Q? Okay, how many people are aware of who Susie Q is that is not the JoJo character? We have a 58-year-old here. Okay, you should know who Susie Quattro is, surely. Thank you. Devilgate. Okay, we have one person here who is aware of who Susie Quattro is. Jesus Christ. Oh my god. My music taste is like a lot of my early music taste came from my parents who like listened to music in that era. It really hurts me when I listen to people sometimes. Sudo apt install VirtualBox and check DMs. I did see that, yeah. I checked that as well. King Crimson was cooler. King Crimson is cool. King Crimson. Again, not just a JoJo character. JoJo characters are named after musicians or songs. Just turned 40. I have no idea what you're talking about except Susie Quattro, that I know. Okay, good. They want an excuse to give you a dono finally. Yeah, appreciate it. Filthy Axe at a reasonable price is the best stand name. I don't know how long this is actually going to take to run this. This might... this is taking a lot longer than I thought it would. Dereference null pointer on it. Yes. Araki's tasty music. VirtualBox should just be in the repo. Yeah, it should be. I don't see why. Susie Quattro can the can. Exactly. As one of the last of the Zoomers, I have no clue what a Susie Q is either. Sadly, Susie Quattro is far bigger in the UK than the US. Does it have touch? No. The other one I'm getting does. This is the musical equivalent of, hey, it's the guy from Fortnite. Yeah, I like Goku from Fortnite. Goku from Fortnite is my favorite character. God. Suzy Q is a donut shop in my city. I wonder if it's named because of the musician. I have a feeling it might be. I would be surprised if it wasn't. They made an entire anime about this guy from Fortnite. Good morning from Detroit. How's it going? Yeah, I got Detroit there. Even with the weird spell. I like Darth Vader from Fortnite. Did you know that some Fortnite characters have their own TV spell? I've no idea who Suzy Q is, but it's well known that the names in JoJo are from musicians. Yeah, apparently not. Apparently not well enough. Has Detroit already become human? Charizard from Fortnite. Okay, it's gonna run through all of this stuff again, multi-core. Do we keep the test running, or do we go and test something else? Because this is gonna take quite a bit of time. I can show you the Geekbench results afterwards, because this is gonna take a bit more time still. Keep running. I'm enjoying the yapping. I have other things that I want to test as well. We are halfway there. Unless it needs to do more things after this. Crash or show results. Well, we can let it continue running and just yap for a bit. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate it. Multi-core is going to be faster. Is it going to be that much faster though? I don't believe it's going to be that much. Does it run LARBs? Well, it is. If we could put Arch on it, there's no reason why we couldn't. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate it. Can you watch anime on this machine? We can decode video. Therefore, yes. How multi-PC is this? Or how multi is this PC is core? It has 4 threads. Does it have an SD card reader? It does. I think that's standard on Chromebooks, actually. 2 physical cores. I hear a cop car. 2 physical cores, and is it running X or Wayland? If you install Ubuntu Desktop, is it going to automatically default to X or Wayland? I don't know what Ubuntu does out of the box. Wayland? Theoretically, it's running Wayland. Since 2020. Theoretically, it's running Wayland then. Is there something we can check to echo? Okay, thank you. I don't let's open another terminal. This is gonna mess with the results because we're doing other shit, but whatever, it doesn't matter. It's not like they were gonna be good anyway. System information in the settings. Actually, that's a much better idea, isn't it? Settings. Yeah, it's going to take a little bit to open that. Okay. System. How do we use Gnome? How do we use... Where in Gnome would it say? Is it about? Is this it? Okay. System details. Wayland. There you go. For anyone who wanted to know if this thing could run Wayland, there is your answer. It can run Wayland. Not well, but it is running it. It's... Okay. The animation looks garbage because we're running Geekbench on an Ivy Bridge laptop. No, of course it's gonna be laggy. Why wouldn't it be? Intel HD graphics. Technically, they are HD. Yes, you are right. Again, this defaults to 2560 by 1700. So, yeah. What can a Chromebook run well? Well, this is an Ivy Bridge. But if you get yourself an 11th gen, it can run everything well. Like, you can... Are you aware that there are i7... Chromebooks, like i7 12th gen Chromebooks, because those do exist, and not like mobile chip i7 Chromebooks, like modern, proper, like full laptop i7 Chromebooks. Yes, these exist. Yes. There are V8 Chinese cars as well. Here's the fun thing about Chinese cars. A lot of them are better than what's being produced in the US, but the US is terrified of them. They don't want them anywhere near their market, especially the EVs, because they massively outperform what's in the US market. And that's why they consider them a giant problem. Do they have GPU? I think there are ones that have... Are there ones with NVIDIA GPUs? I don't actually know. I don't know, actually. Did you fart? No, this chair is very squeaky. Gotta wait for that full HD to drop that juicy 1080p. Yeah, brother. So I was actually sent a link to play Diablo in the web, and I would like to open that at some point. But we'll wait for this to be done. The chair, sure. Yeah, for sure. I can play Project... I don't think Project Diva is going to run well on this thing. Bro, you touched the Chromebook while I was doing Geekbench. Now the result is skewed. Did you think the result was going to be good? Honest question. Did you think the result was going to be good? We did SuperTuxKart earlier. Yeah, ran at... I like 10 FPS. Mine test ran at 15. I highly doubt any Chromebook would run NVIDIA. I don't think so. Multi-core test takes longer than single-core test. They both take a very long time. That's the real answer here. They both take a long-ass time. I swear, if it's worse than mine, I'm going to lose it. If it's worse than mine. It should be... What are you running that this would be better than what you have? I hope that what you have runs better than this thing. Is this your first stream about the Chromebook? Yes. Next time... I think next time... The next time, the most logical thing, right, is we run Cosmic on this thing, right? Like, that seems like the most sensible thing to do, surely. We could do other things, but I think it would be funny just to put Cosmic on it. Why? I hope it's better than the i3 4th gen. Well, this is a 3rd gen, so it shouldn't be. Just get a decent Ultra. Where's the fun in that? Where is the fun in that? When what we could do is run a stupid device. This is a lot more fun. Oh, no, you know what? Actually, while this is doing its thing, what we can do, I should be able to do this, and you can see my actual desktop. Okay. Let me just explain to you how all this Chromebook stuff works. Oops. You know what? I'll even give you guys what you really want. Okay. Let me add this. Do this. And do that. And you're not seeing it. Because I did the wrong thing. Because I'm stupid. Do that. That. Do that. Okay. Wait. Haha. Okay. I'll let you guys look at the look at that right there. Wait. There you go. Okay. Perfect. Okay. Let me explain to you how this Chromebook stuff actually is done. Let me just bring up the thing. Okay. And so there's sort of two main pieces to this. Here we go. So there's two. Yeah, I know it was wrong, so I was just getting stuff ready. There's two main pieces to this. So firstly is actually core booting the device itself, right? So by default, the firmware in the Chromebooks it's locked, right? But not like fully locked. So Google doesn't actually care about you move webcam. No, it's on the thing. You can. Well, do you want me to? Okay, there you go. I'll make it smaller. Okay. By default, the firmware in the Chromebook is locked, but it's not locked in like an actual hard locked way. It's locked for the sake of security. But unlocking it is very, very, very easy. So this right here is a list of supported devices. If you're looking to buy a Chromebook, this is the place you come to. So you find the device, find the board that you have, and then over to the right-hand side here, it tells you how to disable the write protect. Oh, it did a thing. Okay, we'll get to that in a moment. So the old devices, this one right here is the one that I have. So in this one, what you would do is put a screw in. Sorry, remove a screw, put a screw in. You remove a screw. So you remove a screw, and it stops this little jumper from being jumped. And then that disables the write protect. That is literally all you do to unlock the firmware. Some of the other ones you have to go and like jump some pins and do other little things like that. As you get to the newer ones, once you get to right here, this is when the CR50 comes in. Newer ones, you need to remove the battery. Newer, but not new entirely. Once you get to Intel Apollo Lake, that's when we bring in the CR50. So for this one, the way you disable the write protect is unplug the battery and then run it on DC power. That's all. That's all you need to do to unlock it. Google security, aka backdoors. Well, that's the thing, right? Google documents how to do this. So in the Chromium docs, there is an explanation on how to unlock the Chromebooks. Like, the Chromebooks being locked is only just like a basic security thing. That is all. Is CR50 the debugging cable? So CR50, once we get to this point, this is where you can start using, this little guy. Anything that's a CR50, that's when you can start doing this, the Suzy Q stuff. So on the CR50 battery ones, you either have the option of doing the battery method or using the Suzy Q cable. Then later on, that is when it swaps to from that up to... There's a couple of CR50 jumpers as well. We have to, like, bridge some jumpers. The modern ones, once you get to CR50, this is where you have to go and disable the write protect with one of these guys. And basically all you're doing, like, this is all the steps you need to run. And half these steps are just, like, turning the computer on. Pretty much in here, it's just enable debug mode, run a command that's built into it. Like, one command you need to run here, and then you've enabled the debugging, and then disabling the write protect is like 3 commands in here, and that is all. Now, the very, very modern ones, when you get to the TI-50 devices, oh, it was implemented. Oh, I suggested this should be implemented. So once you get to the very modern devices, now you don't just have the write protect, there's also a firmware verification. So it's slightly more complicated. So now you enable the debugging, you disable the write protect, and then disable the firmware verification. Again, one command. One command is all you need to run to disable all of the protections that are, like, built into it. I'll unlock in a moment. And then you can just core boot it. The core booting, I believe, is... All you need to do is just run this script. And then you're pretty much just good. And once you've done that, then you can just install an OS on it like anything else. Then you got a core booted Chromebook. And you can install Windows, Linux. Some of them do support Mac OS. Not many of them, but some of them actually do. So I will be doing another Chromebook where also the website is like half done in some places. This is all like very like early stuff. There's like a very small community of people working around this. Can it use Grub or Systemd instead of Core? No, those are different things. Core boot is the firmware. Grub is the bootloader. These are different parts of the chain. Yes, we'll do the Geekbench stuff. Yeah. But yes, once you've pretty much at that point, you can just do whatever you want with it, right? At that point, it is literally just a really scuffed computer with a weird keyboard. There's nothing else about it that's odd. Okay, let me just log back in. So we should be able to just do that, and you see it. Uploading results to Geekbench browser. Okay. Where's my mouse? Oh, I dropped it. Okay. Visit the following link and view your results online. Okay. Why did that not open in my browser? Does that not... Wait, can you not just click it in this terminal? Oh, there we go. You had to control click. Okay. Okay, that's about what I expected. Single core. 349. Multi-core. 726. At least it's 3 digits. That is true. Yeah. What is photo library 129? What is Can someone give me some Geekbench scores? Can we like compare? Can someone like give me some scores that are like on something else? That like you had things in the background. I know, but it doesn't matter. Yeah, no wonder it couldn't run JS Tomb. That is true. Oh yeah, actually, while we're here, let's do this. So, D07 riv.github.io/Diablo web. I think I typed that right. Haha. Are you ready for Diablo? Most phones are faster than this. They should be. Let's play Diablo. It's I can already see what the mouse is doing. Oh god, it's running. S. That is my name. Oh wow, look, we can play Diablo 1. Wow. You know what? That's something. That is certainly something. I don't know how to get out of the town. Do we just go this way? Here? Oh. Down to dungeon. Yes, down to dungeon. I don't know how to... I don't know what the... I don't know how to do anything in this game. Small axe. Do we click on the enemy? Oh, there we go. Look at that. Haha. We can play video games. Kinda. The range that we can play is not great, but... it's playable. Oh, you know what? That's something. That's definitely something. Oh my lord. This is what real Linux gaming meant to be. Absolutely. Absolutely. Oh, wait. Okay, hold up. This is your Chromebook versus my PC. Okay. Let me bring this up. On my other computer. Okay, yeah, that's about right. Here we go. So this is on a Windows 11 system running a 59. You know what? Considering it's a 5950X, I would have expected a bigger gap. I genuinely would have expected a bigger gap than that. I don't think you can do macOS on this one. We've come so far, but not that far. With Windows, it is considered cheating. Yeah, why are you in this chat on Windows? Usually running Ubuntu. I still have the object detection numbers here. It's like, what is this? Multi-core performance. Look at that bar. Look at that bar. I'm on Arch Linux. Well, what we have confirmed today is the Ivy Bridge Chromebook is not very fast. Who would have ever guessed that the Ivy Bridge Chromebook is slow? What a mystery. What a crazy mystery that is. Who would have ever thought that would be the case? Wait, can we should be able to swap back to, hold up, give me a second. Let me I'll bring this open so you can see the thing. How do we log out? How do we use Gnome? Okay, log out. Log out. What does it do with videos? It plays them. 1080p is fine. So we installed the Ubuntu desktop package. Here we go. So let's go Ubuntu session. And we should be able to just swap back to that one now. Run the Geekbench GPU benchmark on the Chromebook. I don't have Discord installed on this thing. I will have to set those up for another stream. But thank you for handing those off to me. I might mess around with those on, depending on how big they are. I might mess around with those on a secondary stream for this, because I'm definitely gonna do more with this. Alt F3 F3. Okay, I think I know how F3. They're both they're both online emulators. Oh, okay. Hold up. Okay. Let's mess around with that then. Let's put the other mouse there. So, infinitemac.org. Oh, look at this. How new does it go? Let's run classic. Look at that. Hey, look, at least macOS 1.0 runs. Can we make this bigger? Is that a thing we can do? I say at least macOS 1.0 runs. I click file and it instantly lags out. Oh, you gotta hold it down. Oh, that's stupid. Can we zoom in at all on this? That was changed in macOS? Oh, macOS X? It took that long to do that? Brodie, I have some Geekbench results. I can't zoom in like that. So I don't know why. What if we do it before we get to that page? Maybe it's just it's just eating keys. Yeah, it was just eating my keys, that's why. System disk. Accessibility nightmare. Imagine the 1986 operating system being an accessibility nightmare. What a thought that is. I love that a lot of the stuff that we see in modern operating systems was really set up back during this time. Like the way we resize windows, the way you close windows, all of this stuff. This has been set up for such a long time. And some menus will appear next. Oh. I don't usually watch streams, but I try to ask why, though, for the memes. 2462 single core, 8230 multi-core. Oh my god. Didn't have super right click, though. I don't know when that became a thing that was, like, common. Let's go to something newer. Oh, next step. Run. Ooh, look at that. I think it was... Oh. Modern CPU running... struggle to run ancient tech. Look. Yes. Yes. It's going to take a bit of time, isn't it? It's gonna take a moment. Worst Chromebook. Unironically, Chromebooks... Oh, here's... You know what? Unironically, you're not wrong. Chromebooks only get better from here, right? If we start with a 2013 Chromebook, things only go up from here. Things can't get worse from here. A 5th gen i5 is much snappier than that crappy... yeah, a 5th gen would be snappier, yes. Because it's not a 3rd gen. Ooh, look at that. Look at this. Oh, the cursor speed is very, very high on this thing for some reason. I don't know why the VM cursor speed is that high. Also, it's desynced from the mouse now. So I actually can't use it. What a well set up virtual machine that is. There was one other one that was sent to me to look at. Let me just see what that link was. Ooh. Copy.sh/v86 profile v86 / profile equals Windows 98. If I type that link correctly. $1,100 Chromebook is bad. Luckily, I didn't pay that much for it then. Luckily, I did not pay $1,100 for it. Because that would be a problem. You would be onto something then. Oh, sheep.exe. What is this? I don't know what sheep.exe is. That's what sheep.exe is. Why is this here? Look, this is something you can't do on Wayland. This is why Wayland sucks. You can't do things like this. This is not allowed anymore. No fun. Can it run Cookie Clicker? Yes, it can. Yes, it can run Cookie Clicker. How do I even break out of the VM? Hold up. I don't actually know how to... Okay, we can press escape. You get a little friend. It doesn't run well, but it might have just not run well always. Because it seems like everything else here is running well. Internet Explorer. Let's go. Let's open it. Is there a single website that Internet Explorer can run on? Probably. Wait, for the memes, I wonder if Google works. Because I know Google does have a... Why is this still on my screen? They have a website for this thing, and it doesn't work on that. Unless it's... They have a site for it. We're on the website right now. Obviously, the site is functioning. www.google.com. Will Google function? Unless DNS is broken. If DNS is broken... Oh! Oh, things are happening. What the fuck is that on my screen? What the fuck is that? What? Internet Explorer could not open the page. Well... What the fuck is this thing? Well, that went as well as I thought it would. Oh, wait, how much battery do we have left? Oh, we have 40 minutes left. Okay, we're good. Where did the sheep go? It got taken by the aliens, obviously. Where else would it go? Does it run Minecraft? We tried to play Eaglecraft before. It instantly crashed. So... no? I'm gonna go with a 2013 laptop with... I think it had like 70, 80% charge left. Or like battery life left. Play Classic Cube. Is that like a thing on the web? Does it run Among Us? Theoretically, it probably should. There's no reason why it wouldn't. Now, Classic Cube. Here we go. Play in browser. Got it. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at that. We have Minecraft Classic. We can play video games. Does this have AVX instructions? It's running much better than the other one was. This is running at 50 FPS. Look at that. That's crazy. 50 whole FPS. That's like 50 more than I expected. That is considerably more than I had expected it to do. AVX 1, not 2. Oh, there's Bedrock. Wait, is lava all the way down? Like, in Classic, is lava just all everywhere at the bottom? And does water keep going forever? Why? Are there no water source blocks in Classic? And it's just all... if you're in water, it just keeps going? How well it runs SuperTuxKart? About 10 FPS. Third had AVX or not AVX 2 or AVX 512. Oh, God. What model is it? It is a Pixel 2013. So... this is a laptop that exists. Blurry Brodie is back. Yeah, that happens. So, I think next time what we're going to do, just because it's funny, I want to do Cosmic on it next time. That's what I'm thinking. Unless there's something else that would be funny on it to do. At least I want to see if Cosmic will even run on it, let alone will run well. If Cosmic won't boot on it, we'll do something else. I might stick KDE on it next time and just see how that goes. With or without compilation. If I compiled it, the entire stream would be compiling Rust. Literally the entire stream would be doing Rust stuff. You know how that goes. How about some HiQOS? Ooh, that could be fun. Redux would be cool as well. I don't know. I don't know if Redux will run on it. I presume it probably would. I don't see any reason why it wouldn't. KDE 3. Wait. Would it be fun to do some what do you call it? Era relevant desktops? So like running whatever Ubuntu version was modern at the time. Period accurate. That's the word I was thinking of. So like running what would that was pre-Unity, so it would Gnome 2. Running Gnome 2 on this. Ubuntu what year did the Ivy Ridge come out? Hold up. Like you wouldn't want to run the 2013 version. No, I want to go back earlier than that, right? Go back before Unity. We could do Unity on it as well. Unity on it as well would be fun. But you want to run like a couple of versions older. Just because I want it to run well, and we can make it go worse from there. But I think next time what I'll do is we'll do Cosmic on it. Because I want to do some Cosmic bug testing anyway. Just because I think that would be funny. And it sounds like a fun stream to do anyway. But if you do KDE4, absolutely do Kubuntu 12.04. What the hell is Sky OS? I don't even know what that is. It's going to be painful. Anything I do with this thing. What will happen to the Chromebook once you milked it for content? I don't know. I don't know, man. I'll find some use for it. Try to run Windows XP on it. That... Yeah, sure. Why not? I don't know. I don't know if XP would run on it. I don't know what would happen with old Windows on this thing. I don't know. There's plenty of stupid things we can do with it. Serve as North Korean remote work laptop. I think I've reached the final version Intel officially supported XP on. Hannah Montana Linux. Is this how we eventually do like a Hannah Montana Linux stream? Just do it on this. You know what? It'd be a perfect device for that. Also, before I do anything else, actually, I gotta do the most important thing, which is installing the sticker. So we want it to be facing that way. So when I lift the device up, it's showing correctly for you guys. So. Now I've got to peel a sticker, and that's not going to be fun. Oh, wait, there we go. Progress. Install it upside down. It will be funny. It would be, actually. Okay. I don't know. I don't know how I'm going to center this. I don't know where it should be. What do you reckon? Should it be closer to, like, the top or, like, around the middle? What do you think makes the most sense? I'm thinking, like, somewhere, like, between the two. Don't center it. Like, maybe, like, top middle. So, like, around... Rather than, like, right at the top. Like, somewhere in between those 2 points. No matter where I put it, it's going to be off-center as well, which will be funny. Oh... Don't put it just yet. Tasteful negative space. It would be very funny if I just have it on a slight angle and I'm never able to fix it. That seems close enough. There we go. Perfect. I don't know how close to perfect it is. It looks not entirely off center. Place it diagonal. Well, it's placed now. There we go. This is now the official name of the device. This is now officially the shitbox. Now install Brodie OS on it. Actually, I do want to install something like DSL on it, Damn Small Linux, because that's obviously made for slow old devices. So I think DSL would be fun, because a lot of the time when people talk about DSL, they're running it on something more modern. But I actually want to run it on something actually intended for DSL. Hot Dog Linux, yes. Puppy Linux. Yeah, something like that as well. I'll back in just a sec. Don't forget to change the host name. No, I'll change it to Shitbox. Yes, I'll definitely have to do that. I have returned with more strong zero. Yummy. Alcohol. Liver poisoning. Has anyone suggested Geeks? Why strong zero but no VTuber avatar? That's a good point. There's some glue stuck to it. Can I play Half-Life 2? How big is Half-Life 2? Because I think it would be fun to try out some games on it as well. But I need to try out games that are small. Yes, Half-Life 2 is 7 years older than it. Yes, but it's... it's also a piece of shit. What port is SSH? What port is SSH? 22. There you go. Play Dead Cells on it. I actually do. Okay, I might have to do that as well. I actually do a stream messing around with some games. What about Roblox? Half-Life 2 is 8 gigabytes. Oh, that's rough. That's a lot of gigabytes. Oh, I don't know, man. I don't know if we can fit 8 gigabytes. I might have to put something that takes a bit less space than Ubuntu on it if we're going to do that. We definitely can't be running Ubuntu then. Got to put something a bit lighter. Something that doesn't take 10 gigabytes or 15 gigabytes of space. We gotta get us down to like, gotta get us down to a much smaller operating system. It has 30 gigs of storage. 30 gigabytes. The other one I'm getting is 128 gigs. That'll be a lot, you know, easier on the storage department. Sorry I'm late, Lord Brodie. You are excused. Shitbox indeed? Yes. A shitbox indeed. It's also like a sticker that changes with light as well. This is probably the worst possible sticker to have on this, just because it makes it even harder to see what the hell the Chromebook is. Upgrade the storage? Okay, that's one of the problems on Chromebooks. Oftentimes the storage is either eMMC, or if there is an SSD, it's often soldered in. Doing storage upgrades on them, usually you're not doing. There are a couple that do have M.2 slots, but that's few and far between. Thank you for the follow, appreciate it. That is few and far between. Yeah. Install Arch. What about external storage? We could do that. Run RPCS3. That barely runs on my desktop, let alone on that thing. What is it called? Pearlescent color? That sounds something, right? Is eMMC something you can upgrade? You can technically desolder it. Yeah, theoretically. It's probably gonna go badly for you, but you probably could do it. External drive, that'd be the best option, but I think we'd be doing off of USB 2. Can it do CS2? It can do CS 1.6. No, some of the newer ones do have M.2 drives. Time to run OBS and stream from it. I actually could run OBS and stream from the newer one. This one, I'm gonna go with a no on that one. Does it not have an SSD slot? No, it does have one. I don't know if it works, but it does definitely have one right there. So we could use that as well. City Skylines 1, Sim City 1. Just stream 144p. Just make it a Luke Smith stream. Just run at 3 FPS. Wait, you have 2 Ivy Ridge notebooks? No. Okay, let me show you the other one I'm getting. It's before people think I'm buying a second Ivy Ridge laptop. What was the... Here we go. Let me find the actual... I want to show you the eBay listing. I'll show you the ASUS website. Here you go. Here is the other one that I've got. That's showing the wrong thing. Here is the other one that I've got. Asus Chromebook Vibe CX55 Flip. A new dawn for cloud gaming. Why are you getting Chromebooks? Do you want me to show you the reason why? Let me show you. No floor beers tonight? No, we have the strong zero on my desk. They're not on the floors yet. Let me show you why I bought one. Where is the post? Where is the post? Where is it? Where is it? I will find it in a moment, probably. Or I won't, because Twitter fucking sucks and I hate it. It's a god-awful website. Where is it? Why do you post so much? Wait, is this it? No, this is the other one. Hold up, that's close to it. Here you go. Here's the reason why. Thank you for the follow. I have been gaslit into buying them, that's why. I'll say it for the millionth time. Modded Chromebooks are the new ThinkPads. Do they have a red dot on them? What you say that? No. Before you, okay. I know what you're going. Let me show you the incredible device. But for any of you nipple enjoyers, let me find it. Where's the newest one? This one? Yeah, that'll work. Are you aware that this exists? ThinkPad C13 Yoga Chromebook. It's a ThinkPad Chromebook. Also, while we're on the topic of stupid devices, let me show you the other stupid device. The device that has absolutely no right being a Chromebook. Do you know Framework makes a Chromebook? It's not available in my country, but they make one. Do you want to know? Do you want to know what this thing is? This is literally just a regular Framework with a Chromebook keyboard on it running Chrome OS. There is nothing else about this that's different. It is literally just a regular Framework laptop running Chrome OS with a weird keyboard. I don't know how much it costs. Let's find out. Framework Chromebook Edition. Price. It is $1,000. That is USD. But like everything else about it is not like it's just a normal framework. But like that's the thing, it's a normal framework, so if you want to, oh actually maybe that is the Australian price. Wait, I don't know. Wait, is it? Wait, hold up. I might be confusing it. US price. Hold up. No, I think it's that price. And then you get to pay less if you build it yourself. No, I was looking at an article that had a price. I was looking at like a review of it that had a price. But yes, this is the other Chromebook that I have on the way. Asus Chromebook Vibe CX55 is engineered with a striking aesthetic and powerful components for non-stop cloud gaming with an immersive 144Hz full HD display, accurate anti-ghosting keyboard, and ultra-fast Wi-Fi 6 technology. The all-new design features a distinctive look that's both stylish and durable, with exclusive color-blocked WAS keycaps to bring flair to online play. Easy access to 1,000+ games. So, how many of you are aware that gaming Chromebooks are like a very small, like, subset of Chromebooks? Let me show you a gaming Chromebook. Here we go. Here's a here's a gaming Chromebook. Do you know how I don't need to explain anything about the specs to you. I'll just show you this picture and you'll understand why it's a gaming Chromebook immediately. Why is it a gaming Chromebook? Gaming. Actually, on the topic of weird Chromebooks, let me show you a real striking one. Is this the one? What is it? Give me a second. Let me just check my eBay. I don't want to show you my eBay. I don't need to dox myself. We don't need that. Bids and offers. Or is it watch list? Ended. Okay, here's the one. Here's the cool one. Images. Here it is. How the fuck do their game Chromebook have 4-zone RGB and their Tough series doesn't? Just don't think about it. Don't think about it. Stop thinking. This is the problem. You're thinking too much, right? You're thinking too much. Stop doing that. Bad. You need to just accept that Chromebooks are a really weird part of the market where people just do stupid things and make red metal Chromebooks. This looks really cool. I actually wanted to buy one of these. Thinking is bad. We don't do that here. Exactly. Stop thinking. Stop thinking because none of it's going to make sense. Chromebooks are weird. Chromebooks are weird. Anyway, I'll put this back on the screen. I'll put this chart back on the screen. So the big problem with Chromebooks is it depends on where you are, on where you can on what you can buy. If you're in the US, getting a Chromebook, like getting really nice Chromebooks is very easy. There's a lot of companies, a lot of schools that just get rid of them every year. And you can get really high-end devices super, super cheap. In Australia, we have a bit of a market, but a lot of the stuff you want to end up importing from the US. This is the only problem with Chromebooks. The shipbox over here, I spent 100 USD on. The one that the other one that I'm buying, I think it was like 250 USD for a 11th gen i5. The battery life on Chromebooks are good. It is pretty good, yes. Sadly, the battery life on Linux is not great because there's a lot of stuff on Linux that just acts weirdly. Can get the latest and best in Oz. Well, you can buy new Chromebooks, sure, but if you're going to be buying a Chromebook, don't buy it new. See, like, get something secondhand. Get something secondhand that's, like, much cheaper. Also, when it comes to buying Chromebooks, there is some work being done on the ARM side and getting that stuff supported, but most of the supported devices right now, with the exception of a very small subset, are going to be the x86 devices. I'm gonna get the new Chromebook. Again, I'll refer you to the chart. I get my ThinkPads for free. I know sysadmins that they legally aren't allowed to sell them. Well, sure, if you have a ThinkPad distributor, sure, go ahead down that route, I guess. If only they have, if only they'd left in that hypervisor capability on iPad OS, you can actually run ActuOS and that would be really cool. I just joined. Are you instantly swapping its OS to Linux? The one that I bought was already running Linux. The other one, I don't have the tab open anymore. I don't want to show you my history. Where is it? Where is it? Here. This one. So this is the one that we're going to be running the Suzy Q on. This is the one that we're going to hopefully not brick. Because if we brick it, that'll be funny. You know, I might brick it on purpose. That'll be funnier. That we're going to be using this little guy on to core boot. That is the plan for when that shows up. Should be showing up in September. Also, I actually have another fun device showing up. Completely random off topic. But the developer of this guy is sending me a device. DT did a video on this, like, 8 months ago, a year ago. And the guy who makes this sent me one. So, I'm going to be doing a video on this as well when it shows up. I've never used a ergonomic keyboard. So, I don't know how it's going to go. It's weird. It looks odd. I don't know how it's gonna behave. I'm probably gonna mess around with it on stream. What is this abomination? Also, for the record, I'm not being paid to cover it, so I am allowed to talk shit about it. So I don't know if it's gonna go well. I've not used it yet. It's gonna show up in like 9 days. Probably won't be next stream, the stream afterwards. Luckily there is a low profile version because I don't really like standard keys. I am not a standard key enjoyer. It is Vim optimized. Or whatever that means. It is the developer named it after, like, the system that Vim was originally made on, or Vi was made on. Can it do Colmac layouts? Where's the documentation? I'm pretty sure yes. Layouts. Colmac. There you go. Or Colmax. Or Colmac DH. Or Dvorak. But obviously I'm going to use QWERTY because I'm boring like that. It's, under the hood it runs, what's the open keyboard firmware, the thingy? QMK, yes. Yes, it runs QMK under the hood. So you can do fancy QMK with things with it anyway. Like how I talk about QMK, and this is the one time my chat's actually useful. As a fan of ergonomic keyboards, that thing looks awful to use. I don't know. I've not used it. It could be good. It could be great. I don't know. We're gonna see how it goes, I guess. The documentation I was sent is he was saying it's set up the way your hands would normally would rest, I guess. I don't know. We'll see if it's terrible. It could be terrible. I don't know. I'm getting it for free, so yeah. Ergo keyboards are way better when split. That seems to be the general case, but I don't know. Maybe this solves a problem where the split ones have. Split keyboards are the new meta. How much would it be if you bought it? Let's check the shop. Oh, okay. We will check the shop when the shop loads. Soon. $279. I believe that's in USD as well. Or you can buy a dual pack and buy both of them and get a discount. If you really want 2 keyboards. It's obviously it's going to be expensive because it's a low production unit, right? Like, it's being made by one dude. It's not being made by some big company. It's not Logitech making this. Obviously, it's going to be more expensive because of that. Who pays more than $20 on a keyboard, though? If your price range is $20, you're not looking for an ergonomic keyboard anyway. Like, that's obviously not what you're trying to get. I use 2 keyboards as split keyboard. Actually based. Build your own keyboard like a pro. I'm here with my Logitech Lightspeed. What is this? My Logitech TKL G915, that one. Hot take, but IBM Model M was peak keyboard. How much would I have to spend to buy a Model M? Wasn't there the remake of the Model M? There was a company that was doing a remade version of it, a couple of years back. What is that one called? Unicomp. Again, the only time my chat is useful is when I bring up really obscure nerd shit that no one actually cares about. Should I buy one for the memes? I have never used a keyboard like this. Yes? Is this live? No. No, this is pre-recorded. It is satisfying to type. I've never used one. It could be fun. I can make at least a stream and a video about it. That looks like the System 76 keyboard. Yeah, I don't like the System 76 keyboard. I've talked about this on my podcast before. I don't like the split spacebar. Ergo dock's easy. Buy a Hall Effect Hall Effect keyboard. Hall Effect keyboard. Hall Effect keyboard instead. I can't speak. Hall Effect keyboard. What the hell is a Hall Effect keyboard? Once you go clack, you'll never go back. I use low-profile switches. I went from a low-profile switch... Or I went from scissor switches to low-profile switches. Like non-drifting joysticks. Loud equal better. Exactly. Apparently so. Low-profile is so good. I'm so happy they exist. I just noticed in Infinite Mac that on next step, your native mouse is meant to disappear. Oh, Why did you leave scissors? I had some bad experiences with keyboards dying way too soon. That's the only reason why. So, like, you know what? I buy Logitech mice, more than one of them. There you go. You can see the Logitech logo, kind of. Might as well buy a Logitech keyboard. Linears are the best switches. I don't actually remember what keycaps this thing has. What key switches it has. Some sort of brown switches. I don't think they're not Cherry MX ones. I don't remember what does this have? I actually don't remember. They're not actual Cherry MX brown, because other companies that do switches that are the same use the colors differently. G915 TKL. What is... I think I got the tactile ones. I don't remember. Whatever the brown ones are on the TKL. Let me just remove another one. Is it just the arrow keys that are brown, or is it all of them are brown? Hold up. No, they're all browns. Okay, I don't know. Whatever Cherry MX knockoff is brown. Tactile equals brown. There you go. The tactile ones. Balls. So would that be Kali browns, or does Logitech have their own switches? I don't know. Do you not have a keycap puller? I do, just not on my desk. So I just use my hands. Like, it's fine. There we go. Can Ivy Bridge run GNU Herd? Can anything run GNU Herd? Does GNU Herd have 64-bit support? I know they were working on it. Is it hot swappable? Not this one. Is this the one I was showing before? I actually don't know. The ergonomic one? I don't know. I don't think so, but it might be. I don't know why we're still streaming, by the way. I only planned to basically do the Chromebook stuff and then just end the stream off. Can a toaster run Herd? I'm sure something can run Herd. Oh, God. Some of the Debian packages built... I know there's, like, the Debian GNU Herd thingy. There's, like, a GNU Herd version of Debian. Can a herd of goats run Herd? It uses these. Oh, we have a link. We have a link. Thank you. Okay. The advanced mechanical gaming switches. Okay, here you go. So, GL Tactile. There you go. Both linear and clicky sound nice. I don't hear the keys anyway half the time when I'm typing. The sound playback is useless. I know. Oh, God. Jesus, that was a lot louder than I expected to be. Oh. Every switch needs that. That is the most important thing. Someone was paid to implement that. You are very right. Someone was paid to implement that. Unless they got the intern to do it. You know what? That's actually possible. They might have just got the intern to do it. Anyway, I don't know what we're doing anymore. So I think we'll end off the stream there. So last time we tried to raid someone and they went offline as soon as we raided them. So let's hope that doesn't happen today. Shut up, Brodie. So let's find someone to raid. Who is live? Who can we raid? It's actually do. Oh, we have someone playing Monster Hunter. Someone that's actually doing Linux stuff. Wait, this guy's doing Linux stuff. Hold up. Hold up. Oh, fuck. I hate Twitch so goddamn much. I hate this website. Why is Twitch like this? I'm running uBlock Origin. It's gonna run the ad anyway. Oh my god, it's got a second ad! Okay. Wait, yeah, this guy's...
We just exit out. Actually, for this one...
Yes.
I'm gonna print that line.
This guy's doing Linux stuff. Okay. That's where we're gonna send you guys. Okay, so... Guys. Shut up, Brodie. So, anyone who wants to join the raid, come over to Twitch, and we will end off the stream. Let's see how many people we can get in here. I paused the stream so it doesn't keep looping. Bye, streamer. I enjoyed my stay. I'm glad you did. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate it. I just posted a couple more times. Anyone wants to join. When you finish watching the advert, discover that Brodie is making a stream showing more adverts. Oh, hey, welcome. Yeah, you joined at the last second here. Does YouTube have an analog for raids? It does, but it doesn't work well. They have to like approve your raid. They gotta like. You got to be on like an approved raid list or something stupid. I don't like the way that YouTube does it. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate it. Good night. Don't go to French Olympics. I heard they didn't manage to clean up the river and they had to cancel the event. Post that one more time. Twitch sucks? Well, maybe it does, but you have an account, so... Swim in poo, yes. Thank you for the follow, appreciate it. It looks like that's everyone we're getting, by the looks of it, unless the numbers are just not updating. I like how the numbers just make up. Like, it just doesn't even make any sense what the numbers actually are. Oh, and now it deleted the it didn't say that in my thing. Let me grab this again. Hold up. Okay. Okay. /raid. Here we go. Okay, is that everyone we're getting? 47? Okay, okay. Breakdancing like a Sydney governor. You know what? Before we go, I just want to say, I fully respect Raygun for how much she managed to scam everybody involved. She became an Olympian with 0 skill. She got a full expenses paid trip to Paris. I fully respect the scam. It's nothing but respectable. Fake it till you make it, exactly. The Australian dream. Okay, here we go. The raid isn't Ivy Ridge an old CPU, a very old one. Yes. Okay, is that everybody we got going? Okay. 3, 2, 1. Let's raid.
We'll have to.
YouTube
nuke
guys are
everything.
still live.
That's basically how it's gonna have to be.
Let's see if
So
he,
many changes.
let's see if he
We bid
notices.
you welcome.
Yo.
41 followers of Brodie on games. This
Yo,
is
what's
the
up,
Church
guys?
of the Gopher. Blood sacrifices are performed every full moon.
Like my hair.
Hell? What the hell was this about blood sacrifices?
I cannot do anything about this. What the hell? Be booty woober.
Namaste, robot.
What the hell? Hey, what's up? Yo, welcome.
Namaste, Profix.
Ugh. Ugh. Brodie
Namaste,
on
hot dog
games.
poisoning.
Thank you for the follow. Oh, thank you for the raid. What's Brodie doing? Thank you for the follow. Is he just live watching me? Hey, what's up, man?
Logia
I
Protocol.
was. We're gonna go now.
Came at a very bad time. I'm
Anyway, enjoy the rest of your day, all that fun stuff. I'm gonna go watch some anime. Yeah. Anyway, peace out, enjoy the fun stuff, and bye-bye.